This crunchy snack is one of my favorites, and after watching this video, I'm sure you're going to fall in love with it. I start by adding water in a clean pan. So that I will go in with my sugar and salt. Then I will go in with my butter. Because I'm making use of unsalted butter, that's why I add salt. If you're making use of salted butter, there's no point of adding salt. So I continue to mix until the butter melts. Then I will turn off the lights and go in with my already sieved flour. Continue to mix until the flour turns to dough. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Today's video is going to be super exciting because we'll be making one of my most popular snacks in Nigeria and across Africa and European country. Once you're done mixing the dough, transfer it inside a clean bowl, then spread it around and go in with 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Then whisk until everything comes together. Please, as you are enjoying the video, do not forget to like and share this video. Do not also forget to check the description box. I will list everything in the description box and other informations that you will find interesting. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can use your spatula to mix it. You will still achieve the same texture. It will only take you a little time. Once you are done mixing, make sure that your texture is like this, not too light and not too thick. Then use your spatula to grab everything together. Then you are going to use this piping bag to transfer the dough inside the piping bags.
Soft life in my kitchen.
So gently transfer the dough inside the piping bag. If all of them doesn't enter at the same time, just do it gradual by gradual. You use the first one, then you can do the second one, so forth and so on. Once you're done transferring them in the piping bag, it's now time for you to pipe them inside your hot oil. Any shape you want the snacks to be, this is exactly where you're going to do it. If you want it to be a circle shape, you are going to do it here. If you want it to be a straight, you're going to pipe it here. If you want it to be a C curve, any shape you want, you are going to pipe it here, because any shape you gave it is what is going to come out with. Okay.
I don't rush what is growing. I don't force what will rise.
Please do not forget to flip them over time to time, and once they turn golden brown just like so, take them out from heat and spread on a parchment paper to drain off excess oil. You can then repeat the process to the remaining ones if you have any that is remaining. And finally, your crunchy snacks is ready. Will you be trying this recipe at the comfort of your home? Tell us in the comment section, and you can also tell us where you are watching from. We'll give you a shout out in my next video. You can make this type of snacks and keep it to your home, so that whenever you have a visitor, you don't need to run around for what you will serve your visitor. You can also make it for your kids so they can go to school as a lunch snacks. Thank you, and do not forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye.